Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mukti Sunandar with registration number A1M2230017. I would like to present my research proposal with the title is the relationship between language anxiety and overall students' performance in the classroom. Okay, first part of my research proposal is the background. Research context, speaking widely recognized as the most complex skill in English as a foreign language. Learning. Many students struggle not due lack of language ability, but because of language anxiety. This anxiety manifests as nervousness, fear of making mistakes, and reluctance to speaking in class. Understanding how anxiety affects students' oral performance is essential for effective language teaching. Okay, the second, research problems. Problem statement: many students experience significant anxiety when speaking English in classroom settings. This anxiety manifests as nervous, fear of making mistakes, and reluctance to participate in oral activities. The second point, knowledge gap. The relationship between language anxiety and performance is not fully understood, creating a gap in knowledge that this research aims to explore. Performance gap. Students' oral performance in English classes often falls below expectation, not due to lack of language ability but due to psychological barriers that inhibit their speaking performance. Okay, next, we move to research scope and questions. Research focus areas. This study focus specifically on language anxiety and experienced by students in classroom settings. Another manifests during English speaking activities and oral performance assessment. Research question 1. How high is the level of language anxiety experienced by students when speaking English in the classroom setting? And research question 2. Is there a significant relationship between students' language and anxiety and their oral performance in class? Purpose and benefits. Research objective. Identify the level of language anxiety among students in English-speaking activities. Determine the relationship between language anxiety and students' oral performance in class. Benefit for students. Students will better understand how anxiety impacts their speaking performance and develop self-awareness strategies. Benefit for teachers and the researchers. Teachers discover effectively strategies to reduce student anxiety and create supportive learning environments. Researchers gain invaluable reference material for future studies on language anxiety. Language anxiety theoretical framework. Language anxiety is a specific type of anxiety that occurs in foreign language learning contexts. It is characterized by feelings of tension, fear, nervousness, and worry when using or learning the language. This anxiety significantly affects cognitive processing and speaking performance. It closely linked with self-confidence and self-perception, often causing students to freeze, to underperform during oral activities. Factors affecting oral performance. Understanding the key influence. Psychological factors include anxiety, motivation, and self-confidence. These internal states significantly impact students' willingness and ability to speak in class. Environmental factors. The classroom atmosphere plays a crucial role. Supportive environments encourage participation while processing settings increase and inhibit speaking. Teaching methods. Communicative approaches prove more effective than traditional methods. Interactive, student-centered teaching reduces anxiety and improve oral performance. Research methodology, research design, location SMP Negeri 56 Konawe Selatan. Duration 1 until 2 months. Method quantitative correlation design examine the relationship between language anxiety and oral performance. Anxiety questionnaire, 20-item Likert scale questionnaire measuring communication apprehension, text anxiety, and fear of negative evaluation. Speaking test instrument, speaking test assessing for key component fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, and vocabulary scores average across all aspects for comprehensive evaluation. Scoring and analysis techniques, scoring methods, speaking test assessing for key components fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Score average across all aspects for comprehensive evaluation. Statistical analysis. Statistical tests include normality testing, Kolmogorov, Smirnov, or Shapiro-Wilk. Linearity testing to verify relationship, patterns, and correlation analysis to measure the relationship between anxiety and oral performance. Okay, thank you for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.